Guys, as you can see, I'm contacting you live from the Money Master Tutorials Training Center, Online Entrepreneurship Training Center here in Douala. We are live in Bonaberi and we are right in the classroom right now. We're just done with the first tutorial this morning, and we're done with the first set of students. We're doing some studies this morning on HTML, and we started with the first tutorial of the to the new students who just started. As you can see on the board, that's the first tutorial that we just did. That's just part of the last part of the tutorial we just did this morning. So the training continues. For those who have never registered, it's time you can register for your training, and you're going to be right here with us, working live with us at our training center here. It's also a studio where we do a lot of work here. We do marketing for people, we do marketing design. Let me just move to the main training hall where the training is taking place. I'm at the main training hall right now, the big hall where the conference will be holding place. And right now, this is the main training hall. So next time we'll be doing training here. I'll try to be live while we are right in class. So thank you for connecting. And if you still want to make money online in Cameroon, probably want to make money online in Cameroon as a blogger or as an affiliate marketer, I guess this is the opportunity for you. You want to make money online in Cameroon through blogging, through affiliate marketing, through any method that you choose, through selling your services online, through advertising anything or any product. Maybe you're into network marketing or cryptocurrency, and you're doing any of those things and you're not getting any results, tangible results you want, you can comment below. I'm going to help you. And secondly, maybe you have questions concerning a particular cryptocurrency that you want to go into. I'm not introducing anything to you, but if you ask me questions, I will orientate you and tell you, okay, this one is good, this one is bad, this one is this and that. And I'm not going to refer you to anyone that you're going to register on. That means no network marketing, no cryptocurrency, nothing like that. And my job is not to sell anything to you or to introduce any junk program to you. That's not my job. I'm an online entrepreneur, a web developer, and an internet marketer. So I'll train you to maximize your results in whatever you're doing. So that's my role. So if this is your first time to connect with me, this is Kum Eric To, and I blog at Money Master Tutorials. And if you want to promote your business online in Cameroon, you can just log on to Netkipedia.com. The link is going to be at the bottom of this video. You're going to see that, and you promote your business. And right now there is a great opportunity that is exclusive to bloggers. We launch this for bloggers who are part of our training, and it's to help them start their online business maybe start their blog in Cameroon, not online business, start their blog in Cameroon. And I'm just mentioning this because there are people who are watching me right now who are business people who would like to create their businesses online. I want them to take advantage of this opportunity we are giving. I want them to take advantage of this training, the training we are running right now, and take part of it. You want to increase traffic to your website, you want to increase your customers, you want to promote your business, and you don't have a website. So you're tired of going to Google, giving them money, going to Facebook, giving them money and running a promo, and at the end of the promo, the visitors, the few that come, they come and go, and you lose everything. You don't have a funnel, a marketing funnel. You don't have a landing page. You don't have a website. Your business does not have authority. You want to go online. You want to really reach the world. You want that when your customers are searching for you, they can find you online. You need a business website. And if you need a business website, you can contact me, and I'll give you more information on how to go about that in Cameroon. The easiest way to go about that. But right now we are having a promo that is exclusive only for bloggers, and that is we run websites for people, we host it, we register domains for them, we pay their bills online, we do the maintenance, we do the designing. Our team does every work. And by our team, I mean the Netkipedia team. They do all those cool stuffs for you. So the package actually costs 120,000 for one website, and for those who are going for 3 websites, it's 240. But right now there is a special promo only for my readers, only for my viewers, only for my followers, only for my students. You thank me later. It's a 50% discount for the hosting program, which is we host your website, we maintain the website, we design the website, we support you on how to kickstart your blogging career with the basic trainings you need. We assist you on SEO and so on. It's a premium package. It's a package that should cost not less than $1,000. We're talking of how much? 120,000 francs CFA per year. That somebody is taking charge of everything for you. You focus on your blogging. Somebody takes charge of all the technical stuff for you, all the coding mumbo jumbo for you. So it's a 50% discount. So it means you don't pay 120, you pay 60. It's a limited promo, and it will only last as long as we don't have a saturation on our platform. Many people are calling and requesting for their own. They pay through mobile money, they pay through a bank account, they pay through PayOna, they pay through PayPal, they pay through different methods, through their credit cards, and they're ordering for their own, and we're delivering it right now. And the company is actually expanding. This is your opportunity to be part of this package. So you'll be paying 60k per year, and the next year you pay the same 60k. We're not going to step up the price. And we are very supportive right now. We're working with very fantastic people that we're supporting. We're working with Queen's Blog, Abong the Edel Queen. You can follow her on Instagram and on Facebook. It's one of our best bloggers we're working with right now. Abong Edel Queen, her blog design there. We're also working with Monang.net, who is a huge partner of Money Master Tutorials and one of the huge partners of Netkipedia.com. We're also working with Bateta, she calls herself the motivator. She motivates people a lot. She's a motivational speaker. She's an inspiration to many, and she's also promoting Green Wall and so on. We work with several people. We are, for business, on the business side, we're building the many business websites we're working on. We're building e-commerce websites from Netkipedia. That's Netkipedia product. So right now, our biggest project, one of our biggest projects that we're working on now is UnitedMarineServices.org. It's a diving company in Cameroon, big diving company, and it's a premium website we're building for them. We've built it, it's online, it's in progress. We do content creation for them, we do maintenance of the website for them, we do technical support for them, we do customer service support for them. And on the website you have all the interactions. We have live chat support, we have WhatsApp that we can contact directly on the site. We have all these features. And in case you have a website elsewhere and you're watching me right now and you would like us to add some of our features that are not on your website, we'll do that. We'll help you. But do me a favor, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my blog. I like our page, Money Master Tutorials. I also have a Netkipedia page. Follow me on Instagram. Just connect with me. Once you connect with me, I'll reach out to you, because there are a lot of people, I don't see what they're doing. Somebody who is an expert in internet marketing and online entrepreneurship in Cameroon in general, who is a trainer, trained many people already, and you connecting with me, I'm going to see your content. There are a lot of young men, I see their content, I see their efforts, they are pushing, but they don't have the cash to do the right things. So what do? I do it for them for free. I help them, assist them. That's what success is all about. It's all about reaching out. That's what marketing is all about. It's all about reaching out. Until you start reaching out, you're not doing marketing. You're not marketing anything. So it's not to tell somebody to join one junk program or the other and take money from him. That's not what we're doing. Thank you for watching. I'm Kumerixo from Money Master Tutorials. I thank my team that I'm working with. I thank my partner that I'm working with, who is really a key partner in my company. That's Netkipedia, that's Etabati, and Josh Munang, who is really there for backup, is there. I'm really grateful also for all the support I'm getting from Faith Bible Church, Bishop Dorothy Njaffu, which is giving me a lot of support, and we're progressing. We just launched a project that is worth over 5 million francs CFA. and it's on the way. And thank you all those our followers who are just in the background, they're not commenting, they're not doing anything, but we know you're there. We thank you for all your support. This is Money Master Tutorials, and the best is yet to come.